Kayseri, which is a large industrialized city in central Anatolia, Turkey, has a great historical background. Göltepe, a center of a complex network of Assyrian trade colonies in the 2nd millennium BC, occupies a position at which historic and natural routes leading from Sivas in the northeast and Malatya in the southeast. Kayseri was originally called Mazaka and was known as such to Strabo, during whose time it was the capital of the Roman province of Cilicia. Due to its exceptional natural beauty, cultural diversity and geographic location, Kayseri also has a favorable position in the tourism industry. With a height of 3,916 meters, Ersi Mountain is a volcanic mountain whose summit is nearly perpetually covered with snow. It serves as both a hub for winter activities and a pleasant summer getaway. One of the most significant paragliding locations in this nation, Mount Ali, exhibits features of an international paragliding center. Sultan Marshes National Park and the Kapuzbashi waterfalls are further natural treasures in the region. One of the important places to conduct rafting activities for a long time is the Zamant River. Cappadocia, located in the southwest of Kayseri, is another popular tourist destination which has many areas with unique geological, historic and cultural features. Also set in the shadow of Mount Erciyes, Kayseri's historic buildings contrast with the sparkling ski slopes on Erciyes. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Most of Kayseri's grand old buildings are made of dark, somber volcanic stone, so different from the sunny volcanic tufa of Cappadocian buildings. Most tourists pass through town quickly on their journey from the airport to Cappadocia's villages, only taking in the high-rises buildings and ugly factories on Kayseri's edge. However, there are many surprises in this Turkish boomtown city center. Exploring the more well-known fairy chimney panoramas to the city's west is a nice contrast to an afternoon spent strolling through the winding bazaars lanes and exploring the Seljuk and Ottoman monuments, all of which are looming over by the enormous Mount Erciyes. Kayseri's citizens are renowned in Turkey for their commercial acumen. In other words, they are known as sharp traders. But you will find friendliness if you visit the city's two historic market buildings, the Bedesten and the Vezir Hani, both near the Great Mosque in the city center.